Welcome to PD Hinduja Hospital Medical and Research Center. This is NAVH Champions training session. The most important factor while servicing in hospital is safety. Safety for all, but patient is a centric for safety. So, how do we ensure safety for patient or anyone? So speak when you see unsafe situation, any danger situation. Be a safety advocate. Encourage and support others. Speak up during incidences, investigations. Report incident happen in hospital. Share ideas to improve our safety. Bring patient and families into conversation. So speak, encourage, support, report, idea, and conversation, communication. It's a culture of Hinduja Hospital for safety. Risk management. So, risk management is a process of culture of risk awareness to identify risk for patient, staff, and visitor, as well as provision of control, prioritize management plan, as well as review on it. So, in simple word, risk management is a process of culture for awareness, identification, and provision, control, and management, and review. So, you can take a look at this picture. So, there is a hazard. So, we click that it is a risk. So, help is there. Keep clear all the times. So, we have to aware that it should not be happen. So, these boxes are hazard. So, it is a risk. So, be aware. So, what kind of patient safety requirements and how do we assure or ensure a patient safety in our hospital by doing various provisions in various aspects? There is a safety railings on bed, safety belt for wheelchairs, then grab bars and call bells in toilet, then anti-skid flooring, then call bells, safety grills, wall railings, then fireproof doors, smoke detectors, water sprinklers. Then for staff, there is a spill kit in the pharmacy or various departments. Then fire alarm system, then oxygen supply unit, installed HEPA filters, scanners, extinguishers, and many more safety provisions are made in hospital. So, patient centricity and service excellence is our culture. Our honorable founder of the hospital, PD Hinduja, Paramanand Dipchand Hinduja, gives a 5 principles, guideline principles. Work to give, word is bond, act local, think global, advance fearlessly, partnership for growth. So don't forget that in regard with patient centricity. So work to give. So how do we treat our patient? So by verbal communication, give clear attention to what we say to patient and clients. We need to ensure that what we say is clear, accurate, honest, appropriate to person's age, language, culture, and level of understanding. So, according to Hinduja Hospital, in a patient centricity manner, patient is the most important person in our premises. the most important stakeholder of our business. He is not dependent, we are dependent on him. वो आएंगे तो हमारी रोटी चलती है. He is not interruption to work, he is the purpose of it. He is not outsider in our business, he is the reason for it. We are not doing him a favor by serving him. He is doing us a favor by giving us opportunity to serve him. In a general way, patient is God to us. So how will you acknowledge or treat our patient? Is like good morning, good evening. So how may I help you? Thanks you for waiting. Let me know if there is anything else I can assist or help. I would be happy to assist, help you. The genuine appreciation should be there. So don't forget, if patient is there, we are there. There is a bomb threat. What will you do? It's a danger. So there is do or don't. Action and receipt of bomb threat. What do you do? Or what do I do? First, don't panic. Inform to security, police, fire brigade immediately. Full record of conversation with caller with maximum possible information. Get full details of unit of building involved, the nature and the time of threat. Try to know location where explosive is placed and why. Try to note down background sounds of the place to know exact location of caller, whether it is a railway station or railway track or any bus sound or any sound you can identify. Secure all valuable documents and records. Proceed to assembly area for a safety. Entry should be prohibited to enter while disposal of bomb is going on. Try to arrange sandbags around it without covering to minimize explosion effect. So code is black. So keep in mind always patient safety begins with healthcare team. It begins with us. Thank you very much. Don't forget our mantra, quality healthcare for all.